Good morning. I have quite a bit to do today, and one of the first things I need to do, I need to tidy up the house. So I need to get this room vacuumed. I need to get my office dusted and vacuumed. I actually vacuumed the living room last night, but that could always use another vacuum. I have a pile of clothes that I need to fold, and I should probably be dusting and cleaning the silver shelves. And then I have a pile of recycled things that needs to go in the recycled trash. I have dishes to do, vitamins to take. I need to wash my face, get changed. It's a hot day, it's gonna rain, it's also cold, and I don't really feel like wearing makeup. So, but I may do a little bit, so we'll see. And I need to make my bed this morning. I think I want to go to, sorry for the blinding light, I'm still picking up my iPhone to film. I think it's because I'm so used to it. I know what to expect with it, you know? So I have noticed I'm still picking it up. So yeah, I think I need to get like a handheld tripod for that camera because I'm just so scared of dropping it. So probably gonna look on Amazon for that. But you know what, no more talking. I did film a vlogish type thing, talking to you guys about some packages that I got in the mail. Maybe I'll insert some clips, but then we'll come back around in this vlog and talk about what I got. And then I think I want to head off to a Dollar General, which I've never really been to. I think I went once, a really long time ago, like 10 years ago. So I don't even think it counts anymore. So I want to go do like a shop with me or like a look around for my main channel. So that is the plan. So no more talking. Sorry, we're gonna go back and grab the tripod and I'll share with you guys how I'm going to clean, which you already know what that looks like.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart
it's the end of the day. This is the product of that. I ended up going to Dollar General and filming my video for my main channel, got some things from that. So I got this picture frame. It's gonna go in this room as part of my makeover. So I'm gonna go ahead and start like a pile here of all the decor that I'm going to buy for this entire room, and I'm gonna just like store it all on top of this dresser until I feel like I have everything, and then we'll put everything together. My daughter came in my room last night and asked why I didn't go ahead and put my bedding up, and I was explaining to her that I want to wait till I have everything. Anyway, we just had breakfast for dinner. Have you guys ever done that? The last time I did that, I think I was like 20 years old. So it's been a really long time. So it was really fun. She had a croissant and I had pancakes. I love pancakes. So we had breakfast for dinner. I just did the dishes, and I have been watching my Star Trek Voyager. We'll talk about that in a second. You're like, no, I really don't care to hear about Star Trek. But first I want to get out of my clothes, and I did shower this morning, and I didn't really get dirty, so I'm not gonna shower tonight, but tomorrow when I shower, I'm gonna wash my hair. I need to actually color it, but I can't color it on newly washed hair, so I'll probably have to color it like this weekend or something. Anyway, we're gonna get into our pajamas, and I'm going to pick out my gingerbread men. That is a Dollar Tree haul that I'm gonna film tomorrow. And I've got, again, Star Trek Voyager on right here.
This has been my home for over 10 years, Mr. Tuvok. Do you really find that so hard to believe?
Yes,
I'm a Vulcan,
Tuvok.
Mrs. Wren. By nature, we are a dispassionate people. It is rare to encounter someone as dispassionate as we are.
Dispassionate?
Ooh.
Is that how I seem to you?
Oh, she's getting saucy.
I think you'd get an argument from Tom Paris. Can I get your drink?
She's scandalous. Okay, so really quickly, if Star Trek Voyager is everything, it has a female captain, Captain Janeway, love her, and it has a Gilligan's Island kind of theme. They basically get sent on a mission in the Alpha Quadrant, which is like where Earth is, and they get sucked into this like wormhole that sends them into the Delta, which is basically on the opposite side of the galaxy, and according to like their calculations, it would take them like 75 years to get home. So so the series is basically about them headed home, and then all of like the planets and solar systems that they encounter on the way. It is so good. I love it. I started watching Voyager. My daughter was 8 years old, so 2008 is when I started watching Voyager. And I think Voyager came out like in the, I want to say 90s. I don't know like when, but it obviously wasn't the first Star Trek. There was Star Trek The Next Generation, and that one is really hard for me to get into. I feel like it's very 60s, 70s, and it's just, I don't know. I don't like the characters as much, and I love every single cast member on Voyager. B'Elanna Torres is okay, she's a baddie, so I want to be like her. Anyway, so you're probably like, girl, are you really talking Star Trek to me right now? But just in case, you never know if you'd be into it. I'm not really into like Star Wars. I just saw an episode one day out of the blue, and I was like, this is interesting. Then I watched another episode, and then I've just been hooked. Anyway, I'm back on my Star Trek Voyager kick, and I've watched every season, and it's like, there's a lot of them. There's like, I think there's more than 7. I don't know if 7 is like their final season. I don't know, but there's a lot, and it's all streaming on Netflix. Anyway, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna basically go sit down, kind of half watch it, and play my games on my iPad, and then I will see you guys the next time I vlog.
When you see Tom, would you tell him that I forgive him?
Everything she told you is true. Except I don't remember going into the atrium or anything else after that. The last thing I remember is sitting with her, drinking tea.